Hey guys, I was just going to do a before and after video of that steam loop that wasn't heating, using two different videos that I was using the thermal imager. Similar areas. I wish I did the exact same area so you guys can really see the difference. But got to watch for the speed at which the steam is actually flowing, the time. On the original one, it just moves real slow. The pipe warms up really slow, and then of course after we fixed the pipe, now it's moving along a lot faster. So just a little quick video, both thermal imagers, so you can kind of see the difference between the two. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Alright, so we're going to see if you can see this. Real hot there. Not as hot there. We can actually watch the steam moving through the piping. Still moving slow. See how fast it's rising there. A little closer here. A little steadier. You can see the difference right there. Kind of see the condensate at the bottom. Let's see. A different view. Five there. See, it's hot right there. So 25. 5 feet away, 96. Still not flowing the way I'd like it to. It's better. Still a long loop. Okay, hopefully we'll be able to see it better now that the light's off on the camera. So there's our steam. 215, 210, 224. Now, it would take a good 20 minutes to get down to this end of the pipe before. So we're going to see how long we are. We're at 82 degrees right now. And if we look that way, we go down, and you can actually see the steam coming. I don't know how well it shows up on the camera. See how it's real bright right there? Mm-hmm. And orange here? See the steam coming? Yeah. See it moving? We got 215 there. 95 here, 100, 200. 100, 200. So you can see the steam moving. Okay, that's 85, Watch how fast it changes. 90, see the steam coming. 100, 180, 250, look at that. Almost instantaneously how fast that steam is moving along there. So right now, so we're coming around this corner, which is okay, and unfortunately that's where the camera died out. So as you see, the steam's moving along a lot faster than it was before, so vast improvement. We did have to do a little more balancing on the vent lines. You can check all that out on the previous video where we actually show where we repitch the piping. Any questions, just let me know. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.